Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a very rare, highly collectible 1965 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a matching numbers L78 396 car with a 4 1/4 horse engine. Very hard to get your hands on. Beautifully done car. It's a factory color combination. It's got the maroon metallic with the black interior. Highly documented car. It's about a 10-year-old frame-up restoration. We do have all the receipts for that resto, and very nicely done. One repaint. Again, matching numbers, 396, 4 1/4 horse car. It's got the correct Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission, right down to the correct Holley carburetor for the car. I actually took the car in on trade on a Mopar that I had, but just a pretty car. I put about 5 miles on it this morning. Good car. Runs and drives good, nice and tight, shifts out good. You can see it's got the 15-inch factory aluminum knockoff wheels. Those are new Coker Classic radial gold lines on it. I love those on the car. But just a pretty car, man. Good, very rare collectible car. Not a whole lot to nitpick on it. I'll try to show you everything as I kind of go through this video here. You can see some little touch-up marks. I've seen some stuff like that. You can see a little wear mark on your bumper there. But very nice car. This car actually kind of brings back some memories too. About 25 years ago, my dad was actually getting ready to fly me out to Oregon to buy one of these cars. And the guy sold it out from underneath them. Factory big block hood. I love the hoods on these cars. Again, it's had one repaint. This is the original color combination. You can kind of nitpick some things like this on the car. Car's supposed to have 35,000 original miles on it. I think the only glass that's been changed is the front windshield. I think the rest is factory. You can see in there that dash is real nice. And the car really runs and drives good, guys. Really hits the road nice. Yeah, I think the rest of the glass has got your soft gray symbol on it. And it's in good shape. Does have the factory jack with the factory spare and everything underneath. Touch-up mark there. Not trying to just pick it to death, but man, I try to show you anything that I notice on a car. Pretty car. I wish we had some sunshine, man, so you could kind of see this color. But unfortunately, welcome to the Michigan winters. Love the gold lines on the car. Car's very nice underneath as well. It's got chambered exhaust. Ed says you call it off-road exhaust on a Corvette. You can see it's got a couple little marks. Really restored back to factory. I don't know if you can read that, but on the back of your block there, it says high performance. But it does have the VIN on the block, the correct casting code too for the 396 4 1/4 horse. Factory Harrison radiator. It's got the correct Winters GM aluminum intake on it. Factory exhaust manifolds. It also has the correct Holley carburetor. Very nice car, and like I say, drives out excellent. Shifts good, it doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle, nice and tight. All the gauges were working. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. Put a mark there in your glass. I think this interior is original, guys. Bucket seats console. There's all your receipts on the restoration. I mean, that's 3/4 inch thick folder full of receipts. Factory steering wheel. Dash is definitely original. 35/634 on your odometer. Factory tach and gauges. Even the clock works. I couldn't get that radio to come on. Parking brake worked. I'm gonna touch up note there. Factory rear end. It's got the F40 front and rear suspension on it. Again, very nice underneath. The frame is nice and clean. Got it up on the hoist, got you some good pictures of the bottom. Really good car. Again, see that thing's just full of all the receipts. It's a 10-year-old restoration. They called it a frame up. Original owner's manual's in the glove box there. You can tell those gauges are all original. Steering wheel's good shape. It's got one little crack there at the bottom. You can go ahead and fire it up, Eddie. We got our veteran Fast Eddie Sparks gonna do our road test for us. You're rolling backwards, Eddie. You're rolling backwards. Hood fits good. Shuts nice. Again, all your gauges are functional. Low rev. Tach works. Left turn signal. Even your little license plate light work. A little rev, Ed. I didn't get the radio to come on. Blower motor was working though. Radio, I couldn't get it to come on, Eddie. Wipers, I know we're going to have looked at. I couldn't get those to come on. Go ahead and flip your headlights, Eddie. Brights. Hit your turn signals. You gotta put them down. There's your bright. Your brights are on now, Eddie. Flip your headlights back down. There you go. Got it? Yep. There you go. Go ahead. Shut your door. Start rolling back. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, or remember, subscribe to our YouTube page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, he's coming out hot here. Have a great day, guys.